Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Word of the Day. Today's word is graphomania. ग्राफोमेनिया नाउन है, बेसिकली ये एक साइकोलॉजिकल टर्म है और इसका मतलब होता है ए कंपल्सिव अर्ज टू राइट. A graphomanic is a person who is constantly writing letters to friends या newspaper या stories या fiction या अपने ideas. Now we will have a look on a sentence of the word graphomania. Finally discerning that her graphomania was more symptom than cure, she shredded her notes and swiftly felt better. This was Word of the Day. Follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. All the links are given in the description box of this video. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.